What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy over here at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure, talking to you today on this beautiful Oregon liquid sunshine weather about this 2020 Premium 4Runner SR5. So updates, this one here is a 19, same model. When you're looking at it, so this 19 does have a black emblem package, that's why the emblem's blacked out. But up front, we've got a chrome strip in the upper grille. Also, in the lower grille, we have our Toyota Safety Sense forward collision sensor. Other than that, exterior-wise, they're the same, with the exception of the rear. Still has keyed access for your rear window. So let's talk about what's new. The 2020s now have Toyota Safety Sense. They now have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and on premium models, we've got advanced keyless entry. So the door handles are going to look a little different. This one's white, so you can't see it that well, but there is these two lines here. You can use that to lock the vehicle. The key looks different. This is the 2020 key. This is the 2019 key. So, as long as the key's with you, you can just grab the door handle and unlock automatically. All other features the same as far as power windows, power door locks, heated seats because this is a premium. This one does have the moonroof. On the steering wheel, we've got additional buttons for the Toyota Safety Sense now, so your lane departure and your adaptive cruise control. Also new down here, we've got the push button start now. We have a larger display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Otherwise, it's the same 4Runner you know and love. I'm Patrick over here still at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. You can hit me up anytime though at that number below. Leave some comments if you have some questions or you want some other videos. Feel free to subscribe. Every time we get in a new model, I'm putting it up on the internet. So hope you like the videos and have a great day.